the FreeStyle blood glucose monitoring system. In this box comes this little kit in a carrying case, which is kind of nice because if I had to take a sample when I'm out, I could bring this. Got the monitor, it's right here. This is the monitor. These are the strips that go in where you dab your blood sample. This is the finger pricker, I don't know what they call it. Here, lancets with the disposable needles that go in. Right here is where you set the amount of pressure for the finger prick. I have it at 2. I tried it at 3 because 2 didn't seem to work at first, and 3 is a little painful. But if you have it on 2, it does work. You really have to hold it tightly against your finger, and you will get a sample size and it will not hurt. So my recommendation is to keep it at 2. So you press upwards. Oh, that flew. And here's where you put the new lancet. This package came with 10, and I also got a refill pack of 100. See, they're all loose in here. This box did not come with the strips, but here are the strips. I wish there was a way to dispense one at a time. They go in this way into the machine. You put it into the machine and it starts to think, and here it's working and it wants my blood sample. You put this in here, just push it in and then twist this cap off. See, and there's the little needle, but you put this cap back on, press down this way to load it, and then this is what's gonna implement the finger prick. I've been using this kit for 2 days now, and it's fairly easy once you get through it once or twice. It's easy to remember what to do without the instructions. This box came with 102 50 quantity vials. Put that in, allow it to think. Okay, it's ready. And I'm gonna press it firmly against my finger. They say I do it on the side so it won't hurt as much. See, that didn't feel like anything. I was scared at first that it would hurt a lot. And again, setting 3 does hurt. You just have to touch the sample to these black nubs here. That was it. There you have it. FreeStyle glucose monitoring system for home glucose testing. Really easy to use. Not painful, not scary like I thought it would be. Just make sure this is set at 2.